Reconditioned detector heads for Gravner Mark 6 oil mist detector. For testing, the heads are connected to their pipes, and then we connect them to a spare oil mist detector unit. We simulate the oil mist with smoke detector testing gas sprayed on a tube connected to the pipe of the head. Apart from hearing the alarm, we can also see the relevant indicator lights on both the head and the unit, as well as the message on the screen. The same test is repeated for the second head, as well as the third head. We can now see that all three detector heads are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.